This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and according to Insta360, it might be the smartest action camera they've ever made. Bigger sensor, Leica branding, 8K video, AI tricks, the whole package. But after digging through the expert reviews and real-world testing, I found something interesting. The Ace Pro 2 is genuinely excellent, but not for the reason Insta360 keeps marketing it. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Product Overview. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is Insta360's latest flagship action camera, released in late 2024, and it's aimed squarely at creators, travelers, vloggers, and adventure shooters who want more image quality than your typical GoPro-style cam. It starts around $399, putting it directly against the GoPro Hero 13 Black and DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Its big selling points: a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, 8K video recording, a Leica-engineered ultra-wide lens, and that signature flip-up touchscreen, which is still pretty unique in this category. Basically, Insta360 is trying to blend action cam ruggedness with more premium camera image quality. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Performance. Here's the thing. The Ace Pro 2 shines most in 4K, not 8K. Yes, it can shoot 8K at 30 FPS, but most reviewers agree that while it's impressive on paper, it's not the mode you'll use every day. The files are huge, stabilization takes a hit, and motion artifacts can show up in fast action. Where this camera really wins is 4K footage. It records up to 4K/120 FPS, and the footage looks crisp, punchy, and honestly, some of the best in the action cam category. Colors are vibrant, detail is sharp, and stabilization is excellent. Multiple reviewers also pointed out that low-light performance is better than most rivals, which is huge because action cameras usually fall apart the second the sun goes down. So if you're filming sunset bike rides, indoor gym footage, night city vlogs, or moody travel content, the Ace Pro 2 gives you more usable footage than a lot of competing cams. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features, because this camera has some genuinely clever stuff. 1. Flip-up 2.5-inch touchscreen. This is one of the Ace Pro 2's best features. Unlike the fixed displays on GoPro and DJI, this flips upward so you can frame yourself perfectly while vlogging. If you're a solo creator, that is a game changer. 2. Leica lens plus 157-degree field of view. The Leica partnership isn't just branding fluff here. The lens delivers a super wide 157-degree field of view, which means more immersive POV footage and easier framing when mounted on helmets or handlebars. It gives footage that dramatic action cam look without feeling overly distorted. 3. Improved audio with WindGuard. Built-in audio on action cams usually sucks, but Insta360 added a removable WindGuard and improved mic setup here, and reviewers consistently praise the onboard audio. So if you vlog outdoors, this matters way more than marketing departments pretend it does. Design and build. Aesthetically, Insta360 nailed the design. The Ace Pro 2 looks rugged but refined, with a premium matte finish and chunky build that feels solid in hand. It weighs about 177 grams, so it's a little heavier than some rivals, but still compact enough to throw in a pocket. It's waterproof to 39 feet without a case, which is solid for snorkeling, rain, and pool use. And the flip screen hinge has reportedly been strengthened significantly over the original model, which helps long-term durability. Battery life. Battery life is decent. Not terrible, not amazing. Most reviewers say it's fine for casual use, but if you're filming a full day of travel or action sports, you'll want a second battery. That's especially true if you're shooting in high-res modes like 4K 120 or 8K, so budget for spare batteries if you're serious about using this regularly. Pros. Excellent 4K video quality with great detail and dynamic range. Best-in-class low-light performance for an action cam. Flip-up screen is amazing for vloggers. Cons. 8K feels more like a marketing feature than a practical one. Still pricey compared to DJI's value options. Final verdict.
If you're a vlogger, traveler, or content creator who wants the most versatile action cam with the easiest self-framing experience, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is one of the best options out right now. If you care about low light performance, audio quality, and straight out of camera footage, it may actually be better for you than a GoPro. But if you already own a recent GoPro or DJI action cam, the upgrade probably isn't dramatic enough to justify switching ecosystems.